A calf found alone during the blizzard is recovering thanks to a kind woman who stopped to help. Patty Berg found the calf covered in snow about a mile away from its herd Thursday morning in Truckton, which is 40 miles east of Colorado Springs. KKTV's Sydney Jackson shared these pictures of Berg wrapping the calf in a blanket on Twitter. Berg then put the baby animal in a large bathtub where she bottle fed the calf some milk. The calf should be reunited with her herd and the owner soon. Gilma Avalos covering Colorado First.